Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Kowloon House franchise business ideas. Kowloon House, a restaurant that specializes in serving authentic Cantonese cuisine, catering to both Chinese and Filipino diners since 1964. Their mission is to provide exceptional food and service that sets them apart from the competition. With Kowloon House, you can celebrate all occasions including birthdays, conferences, gatherings, weddings, and baptismal receptions, and more. The company decided to venture into franchising business and share its low-cost investments to those entrepreneurs and businessmen who are interested in the food industry. The support to be given to the successful franchisees will be great and will include counter layout design and assistance in hiring and training of crew personnel. Kowloon House franchise business requires daily hands-on effort and monitoring standard operating procedure. Franchisees are expected to come up with an effective marketing strategy and forecast the target daily sales, and maintaining at all times the product quality, customer service, and cleanliness. The Kowloon House product line. Kowloon House is a prominent distributor of authentic Chinese dim sum and noodles in the Philippines. Its extensive product line offers an opportunity to satisfy one's Chinese food craving, with an emphasis on product quality, affordability, and consistency. These factors have contributed to Kowloon House's success among the Filipino community. Their products: Siomai. They offer pork, beef, shark's fin, and chicken. For Siopao, they offer pork, bola-bola, sausage, and jumbo, chicken asado, bola-bola jumbo pao, and mungo pao. For noodles, they offer chicken mami, asado mami, wonton mami, beef mami, siomai mami, asado wonton mami, chicken wonton mami, beef wonton mami, and beef wonton mami. For the Kowloon House franchise details. For Metro Manila, the franchise fee is 100,000 pesos plus refundable security deposit of 150,000 pesos with a total of 250,000 pesos. For provincial area, the franchise fee is worth 150,000 pesos plus refundable security deposit of 150,000 pesos with a total of 300,000 pesos. What are the proposed store location requirements? They require floor area of 15 to 20 square meters with a store frontage of 3 to 4 meters. The proposed site should be at least 2 kilometers away from the nearest Kowloon House branch. For the franchise required documents, the following documents should be forwarded to their office address. Please submit the letter of intent, map of target location including important landmarks and others, photocopy of 2 valid IDs, it may be either driver's license, passport, or company ID, printed and fill-up resume sent by the Kowloon House together with an attached recent picture of the applicant. For the franchise procedure. Number 1. Send the required documents mentioned above. Number 2. Have the proposed site approved. Number 3. Presentation of feasibility study will be scheduled once the proposed site is approved. This will be in 2 days period. Number 4. Review and signing of the franchise contract. Number 5. Settling franchising fee. Number 6. Receive the layout for building the counter, which will be paid in the expense of the franchisee. Number 7. The construction of the counter will be inspected from time to time to check if output is being delivered as per according to the standards set by Kowloon House. Number 8. Acquire mandatory food products, equipment, and supplies at the head office. Number 9. Acquire the business permit and licenses before the opening of the store. Number 10. Gather sufficient crew members who would undergo the 7-day training crew program. And number 11. The grand opening. Advantages of franchising the Kowloon House. Number 1. The product line has already gained significant popularity and acceptance in the Philippines market. Number 2. The franchise fee is affordable, making it accessible to a broader range of investors. Number 3. The franchise offers comprehensive operational and management support. Number 4. The brand name enjoys a solid reputation that can attract a steady customer base. Number 5. As food is an everyday necessity, the business is not heavily impacted by seasonal changes, ensuring more consistent sales throughout the year. Things to consider before franchising Kowloon House. Number 1. Prioritize food handling and sanitation, as improper execution can lead to spoilage and ultimately loss of sales. Number 2. Scout the target location to identify potential customers and ensure that the Kowloon House concept aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. Number 3. Carefully review the contract before signing to ensure that your goals and ideas are aligned with those of Kowloon House. Number 4. Make sure you have the capacity to effectively oversee the store. For the contact details, you can visit Kowloon House with the address number 16 West Avenue, Barangay West Triangle, Quezon City, Philippines. You can visit their Facebook page at www.facebook.com/KowloonHouse. You can send them an email at kowloon.house@gmail.com. You may contact them with their phone numbers 372-3685, local 111. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Kowloon House Franchise Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.